Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable fingerprints to unlock your Samsung Note on the Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to your home screen. Then swipe up to go into app screen. In app screen, tap on Samsung Note. And we're going to go back to All Notes. In here, tap on the menu key at the top and tap on Settings. In Settings, you want to go down and choose Note Unlock Method. Now, if this is the first time that you have used Note Unlock Method, then you will need to set up a password. After that, you can tap on Fingerprints to switch it off or on. If it is on, then you need to put in the password. Now, my password is 1234, so I'll put in 1234 to turn it on. And once it is on, if a note is locked, you can simply unlock it with fingerprint instead of putting in the password. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.